Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we are going to see a very interesting feature of Cred app. That is how to find your bank balance through your Cred app, which is linked to your Cred app through UPI. Well, it is very simple. We'll see how. So first of all, you have to open up your Cred app on your mobile. For a detailed video on Cred app, I have made another video step by step, which link I have already given in my description. You can refer that. But in this video, I will show you just how to check your bank balance, which is linked to your Cred app through UPI. So first of all, you have to open your Cred app. I'll just open it. So once I do that, straight away you can go to the control, which is in the top right corner of your application window. So just click here and you can see there is something called check bank balance, the third icon from top. Once you click on it, it will take you to this page where all your bank cards or all your accounts linked to that mobile number will come up. For example, here it is showing 2 to 3 banks. I want to know the bank account or bank balance of this particular bank. So you can see I have already set MPIN, or I have already set that UPI pin for this bank. So it is only allowing me to check for this bank. So very easy. I'll just click check balance. Once I do that, it will ask for the UPI pin here. So I have to give my UPI pin here. Once I do that, I'll tick here. And once I do that, see my bank balance is being shown. So this is very simple. If at all you want to check the bank balance through Cred app, no need to go for any other way. If you have a Cred app, you can very easily check it. No need to go for internet banking or doing something else. When you can just simply with 2 or 3 clicks, you can check your or know your balance of your bank account. So friends, that's it. It's very simple, but it will be quite useful if you know this technique, how to use it. So friends, I hope this video was useful. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it across various platforms. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, see you again, see you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.